All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that coin from the BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today, we're going to be talking about that favorite, what everybody's hearing about, Dogelon Mars. Yeah, this coin is up 9% right now. Things are going on. All kinds of people are talking about this. All kinds of people are tweeting this. There's supposed to be big news coming up here, coming in the next week or two. All kinds of good stuff. With that, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. With this, our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, how to buy the cryptocurrency, how to look at the cryptocurrency, what are good investments, what are not good investments, all kinds of good things. With that, let's head over to Dogelon Mars. All right, over here at Coin Market, let's take a look at this. This coin is at 111. What a good number. So Dogelon Mars is at 111 right now. Take a look. It's the 111th best cryptocurrency on the planet. Now, I know you just heard about this, or this may be the first time you're ever hearing about this coin. That's okay. That's why we bring you this information. Take a look all the way to the right over here. Right now, this coin is up about almost 9% in the last 7 days. In the last 24 hours, it is down about 6%. What's all the hype? Well, here, let's start with this. Elon Musk, well, we all have heard of him. Take a look at the code, the ticker, ELON. So if you want to go ahead and look up this coin, you have to look up Elon. Elon Musk, Dogelon Mars. Let's go ahead and click it. So over here to the right here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Now remember with Shiba Inu, when Shiba had 8 zeros and we were crushing the 7 and we were crushing the 6, this one's already starting off at 5. There's no 8s and there's no 7s. How does Dogelon Mars have less zeros than Shiba Inu to start? I don't know, but let's take a look. Now, looking at this chart right here, you would honestly think you're on a roller coaster ride because you're going down and you're going up and you're going down and you're going up and you're going down. So with all that, what is going on? What is Dogelon Mars? So the circulation over here, we're at 56%. So 56% of the circulation is already in circulation. I want to go ahead and jump over to this. I think this is pretty big right here. Let's take a look at this. KuCoin's trading coins. This is the weekly search popularity. Now, we all have heard of Shiba Inu. In fact, people are talking about, is this the next Shiba Inu? Now, if it is the next Shiba Inu, it would have to be close to Shiba Inu. Well, the #1 weekly search popularity on KuCoin's trading coins, #1 is Shiba Inu. What's #2? That's right, Dogelon Mars, right here. #2 is basically Dogelon Mars. Now, if there's more people searching for popularity for Dogelon Mars, guess what's going to happen to the price of that coin? You know it. Let's name the top 10 here real quick, just so we know. Let's go ahead and talk about this before we go. At number 10, we got Cardano. At number 10, last week I made a little mistake and I called it Cardano. I do have to apologize. Thanks for correcting me. Sometimes I get excited. It's Cardano at number 10. At number 9 is Solana. At number 8 is Polkadot. They got DOT. Number 7 is BNB. Number 6 is BLOK. Number 5 is Sand. Number 4 is Mana. And I'm telling you, I've been hearing a lot about this Mana. Everybody's talking about they're getting into Mana. What's going on with Mana? Being number 4, that's pretty popular. Remember, when you watch this channel, you don't just learn about the actual coin we're talking about because we cover all kinds of cryptocurrency. Number 3 is SLP. And number 2 is Dogelon Mars, with #1 being Shiba Inu. Most weekly search popularity on KuCoin trading coins. So back over here at Coin Market, I just kind of want to read this. I think it's just the intergalactic travel has just really got me going here. So it says, "Dear Earth citizens, as you may know, I have dedicated my life to ensuring that humanity becomes a multi-planetary species. This involves work on 4 fronts. #1, interplanetary flight, being able to fly to Mars and all different planets. 2, seeding the settlers. 3, creating an interplanet currency, and that is the most important thing. And it says, I am excited to announce today the launch of a forefront to the mission to Mars, Dogelon. Now, technically, it says the fork of Dogelon coin is the same sense knife is a fork to a spoon. I have named it after the city capital. Now, how many of you knew that Mars had a capital? I didn't know. But the name of the capital of Mars is Dogelon. So the coin is named after the capital of Mars, Dogelon Mars. Pronounced, take a look, because I get corrected in my notes here, Dogelon, not Doge Elon, because of the word. So with that, let's go ahead and head over to the website. Take a look at the little Dogelon just flying in there on the site. I mean, isn't that kind of neat? He's just kind of flipping there, flying around in the universe. Now, again, their goal is interplanetary travel. So what does that mean? Well, it says in the year 2420, the young Dogelon Mars was born onto a beautiful red sands of Mars where we would live peacefully along with his family. Together, they would work hard to develop the expanding colony in the hub that would bring prosperity to the life across the galaxy. The development continued until the dreaded arrival of the assimilators, who would chase the young Dogelon backwards through time and space, where he would find refuge on the planet Earth. And this would begin his journey. Dogelon knew in order to assist us, he would need to involve mankind. He would first need to establish an intergalactic currency. So the biggest thing is having the currency, because when you get to Mars, you want to be able to make sure you can buy things and stuff. So they're already working this out, that we're going to have currency on Mars before we get there. I mean, pretty good stuff here, everybody. One that would be used for all people and civilizations that could integrate with the space-age technology of the coming era. I mean, I don't know, guys. We're talking about going to Mars. We're talking about currency in Mars. We're talking about the new space age that's going on. Now, Elon Musk, he is planning on going to Mars. That is kind of funny. Elon Musk, I was just talking about a different article that he's into all these meme coins. You know, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Floki Inu, and now there's Dogelon Mars. So all this good stuff going on with these coins. I mean, going to Mars, I actually kind of want to go to Mars and stuff. I don't know if it'll happen in the next year or two. Do me a favor, give me your thoughts in the bottom if you would like to go to Mars. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All the information on this channel is for educational purposes only. Again, our goal is to make sure everybody knows about cryptocurrency. Let's head back over to Dogelon Mars. So again, it said it would integrate with the space-age technology of the coming era. Then, with the friends he has made along the way, he would seek to recognize Mars, to transform it into the hub of prosperity that is always meant to be. And his journey across the universe was set to begin. And let's leave with the people of Earth to find the final transmission. I am Dogelon Mars. Join me together and we'll reach the stars. I mean, I don't know, everybody. There's a lot of cryptocurrencies out there, but how many of them are talking about going to Mars? How many of them are talking about developing a currency, a cryptocurrency, that when everything's in place, that will have a cryptocurrency? I think this is pretty cool. What are the tokenomics of the coin? 50% of the token was donated as a gesture of peace, who would then later gift it to the token charity, the VB. Also, 50% of the token was permanently locked up in Uniswap liquidity pool. Oh yeah, where do you buy this? That's right, you can go to Uniswap to buy this. Right here at the bottom of the website, again, we got dogelonmars.com. Couple things, I'm talking about the comics right here. Oh, look at Dogelon's flying into the screen right there. I mean, you just got to admit it. Can you not wait until you're in a spacesuit, everybody, and we're floating around Mars? Don't forget to bring your cryptocurrency, Dogelon Mars, so you can pay for your drink at the bar and all the different things you need. All right, let's take a look at these comics. All right, over here at OpenSeas, we got some of the comics of Dogelon Mars, and you can buy them right here for about $49.88, or you can make an offer. So we got some NFTs right here. You can buy them, kind of neat. The other ones are actually slightly higher. Dogelon Mars number 2. Holy cow, everybody. This one yesterday was about 3-4 days ago, was around $52. It's already jumped up to $105. So if you wanted to get comic number 2, the price has doubled in about 3 or 4 days. But again, you can come right over here. You can make an offer. It's right here on OpenSeas, and you can get the NFT and you can own it. Right now, it's $105. And again, if you wait a little longer, it could go up, because I did look at this about 3 or 4 days ago and it was only $52. All kinds of good stuff going on in OpenSeas and Dogelon Mars. You know, one of the things I wanted to talk about, the market cap. All right, one of the things I want to talk about is the market cap. The market cap actually just went over $1 billion. I don't know if you watched about 2 weeks ago. It was about 400,000, and it was about half of $1 billion. And then it just recently just went up to 900,000 and just creeped over $1 billion. So the market cap size on this coin in the last 2-3 weeks has literally doubled. I mean, oh my gosh, Dogelon, what's going on? All right, so what is my price prediction for Dogelon Mars? Well, we're going to go back to Shiba Inu. When Shiba Inu had 8 zeros, we were talking about crushing a zero, and we were talking about crushing another zero, and they did. Everybody's comparing every coin to the next Shiba Inu. I was talking about it when there was 8 zeros. Well, right now on Dogelon Mars, there's only 5 zeros. My prediction is we're going to see one of these zeros get erased here by the end of the year. Now, remember, all my information is for educational purposes only. But with all this publicity and all the things that are going on, there may be 2 zeros that are crushed. I don't know. Give me your comments in the bottom of what you think is going to happen. We got Elon Musk that is basically talking about this coin. He wants to go to Mars. There's all the meme coins that he's into. Just all kinds of good things. I think when Mark Cuban and Elon Musk and Tom Brady and all these celebrities are pumping the cryptocurrency, I mean, you got to think about it. If the celebrities are pumping the cryptocurrency, the mainstream is hearing about it, this is just a wonderful time to be on this channel. And again, where can you get this coin? On Uniswap. You can go to Uniswap and get it. Kind of interesting if you need it there. I wanted to check out the Instagram following for Dogelon Mars. There's 908 followers, 101 posts. But just take a look at some of these pictures here. We got little Dogelon pumping some gas. You think they pump gas on Mars? I mean, I don't know. They're worried about cryptocurrency on Mars. But he's got pumping some gas right here. Take a look at his hairstyle. It looks all good. We got Dogelon over here in the street helping a girl. Looks like a little CPR. And I like this one over here to the right where it says, again, Dogelon's code is ELON, Elon. It's up 347% over here to the left. And Shiba at the time was only 159. Everybody's talking about the next Shiba. When you see a coin that's actually got double the results in Shiba, I don't know. This could be the next one. Going to Mars. Oh yeah, I was always talking about that. All these coins talk about how they're going to the moon. This coin don't even care about going to the moon. This coin don't want to go to the moon. It wants to go past the moon. It wants to go to the moon, and it wants to go to Mars. And if you read what it says, it wants to go far past Mars. So every coin wants to go to the moon. This one, the moon is just like getting warmed up. It's like the appetizer. I don't know if you noticed that I actually have a different background today. We're actually out of town right now doing a little conventions and going to some different things. Wanted to make sure everybody actually got their information on cryptocurrency. So my background for the next day or so may be a little different. But I actually kind of like the red wall. What do you think? All right, here we go. One more thing. Elon Musk names the meme token Dogelon Mars. He named it. And what happened? It gained 119% in 7 days. Right there it says it has a near 1 billion market cap. Well, we know the market cap is over $1 billion right now. But do you see what happens when celebrities actually name the coin? It goes up 119% in 7 days. It's over $1 billion in market cap. Again, the cryptocurrency token Dogelon Mars gained 119% in 1 week, and it's competing with Dogecoin, and it's competing with Shiba Inu. Just the fact to be able to say this name of this coin with those 2 names is pretty big. Let's not forget about Floki Inu. That's another big one. So basically, market cap right here, it said it went from 426 million to 939 million. It's actually doubled. So give me your thoughts in the bottom. Dogelon Mars, is this one of the coins that you're actually going to get into yourself? Are you going to buy a little bit? Are you going to wait? Do you think it's the hype? Do you think it's not the hype? What are your thoughts? Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Click right here to see our most recent videos. Again, our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, how to buy it, how to watch it, how to swap it, how to use PancakeSwap, all those good things. Make sure you share this video with a friend. Monday through Friday, we're bringing you a video every single day at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. On the weekends, it's around 3 or 4 o'clock. And once in a while, I'll bring you a bonus video around 6 or 7. That's when basically there's something that just pops real good, and I don't want you to wait till the next day. Again, thanks for tuning in from Frank's Crypto Corner, and it's a wonderful Wednesday. Let's have an awesome day today, everybody.